quality of life, our farmers, our public servants, our single-parent families, our nurses, our teachers, our security officers, and especially our young people must all share in the prosperity of the resources of Jamaica.
Don't be fooled. It is said that the economy of Jamaica is growing. But the real truth is that the wealth of the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holiness, is growing, while most Jamaicans are actually experiencing a decline in theirs. Most live in substandard homes where they cannot afford proper repairs. Only a few can buy a cart of grocery filled with healthy food. Many parents, teachers, police officers, and general workers cannot afford adequate lunch money, comfortable transport, or an annual vacation to somewhere nice. Mr. Holiness's version of prosperity only enriches himself and the PSOJ Oligarchs, for whom he and Mark Golding, the leader of the opposition, works. Their fanatical supporters have no idea that they are pawns in a sick game, designed to make them financially poor and insecure, while the political and business elites grow richer and richer at their expense. Stop fooling yourselves. Wake up and accept the reality that after 80-plus years of the PSOJ oligarchy and their two colonial parties, Jamaica is a dirty and dangerous place in which to live, do business, raise a family, or retire.
This message is endorsed by UIC Jamaica.